Hi friends, with great pleasure, I am here to introduce Mr. Ravinder. He's the owner of Hindustan Cakery. And Hindustan Cakery is a brand of a 30-year-old legacy of Hindustan Bakery, which has been there in the city of Barampur of Orissa. He has been serving the customers happily for the last 30 years, although the forte had always been into commercial production. This is the first retail venture which has been executed by a joint effort of Team Hindustan and Tech for Serve. So I would first wish Ravinder sir a very happy retail business. Many congratulations for the new
Thank you,
venture.
sir. Thank you.
I would like to take a small feedback on your experience with Tech4Serve.
Yeah, sure. Hello, everyone. Yeah, this is our new outlet, Hindustan's Cakery, which we have first retail outlet, you can say, of our parent company, Hindustan Foods. We were into all the commercial production of bread and cakes and everything. And we were since long aspiring to go for into retail segment because we want to connect with the customers directly. So we are giving good quality products, but we're not into the retail segment. So our customers were complaining like that. We want to more have a good experience with the Hindustan food. They're expecting because many other outlets were coming up, but we were not connecting with them directly. So we thought like we will come with a new modern look of Hindustan's bakery products. So we thought of initially planning to come up. So then we met Hitesh sir of team Tech for Serve, and we conceptualized many things. And after gradually we discussing with them, we thought of many things like branding, logos, and the product range which customers are aspiring nowadays in this new modern era. Customers were looking for new products, new things, and finally we thought okay, we'll come up with things which Team Tech Purser was very much matching with our aspirations. What we were planning it, and it was gradually we had initial one two meetings with them, and when I was felt confident, thought we'll go ahead with them. So everything we started thinking of with them with the designing, the branding, and the products were which they were discussing were very much required for this in this town of Berhampur, which people were looking for it, which they were experiencing earlier in the different places in the cities, and you can say in the A class, A plus class, like cities in Odisha, like Bhubaneswar and everything. So we thought that why not in Berhampur, where Berhampur is also developing. It's a silk city, you call, and people were looking into these products. And here it's a very what do you call food crazy people, very much food crazy. Each what do you call in the they crazy for food. Like you'll get a lot of on the streets and all these things. So they wanted to get more experience of these bakery products, snacks and everything. So we thought like we'll come up with some new thing. So finally, with discussing with them, last uh, we had planned in we discussed in the November, I think October, November. But in the March we planned to start it, but because of this COVID problem, restrictions and everything was imposed, so we could not come up on during that time. So again, after the unlock was applied, gradually we started it. Resuming our work, and again in the month of October, that is the very auspicious month of Puja, Durga Puja, the Navratri, we could come up with this beautiful outlet, amazing interiors, wonderful product range, I can say, and everything was good. Everything, the planning, the interiors, the design, the product was excellent. It was wonderful working with them, and the planning they did back home, and they were discussing with me regularly. And what do you call the everything was good. The feedback was taken from me. Again, they were doing the modifying it exactly with what my requirement was there. So overall, it was a beautiful, beautiful experience working with them, and I loved it. It was not only that we had a business relation, but still we were very much in touch with each of them, everyone in the team, not only Hitesh sir, Shiva, Prachi, Vivek ji, everything was, and then even Sahil. We were also with the limited interaction with him. He also guided me a few things, and I thought it was wonderful working with these people, and hoping that we have a long-term relation and we grow into many folds, and we'll definitely grow because Sitesji is not leaving me with only one store, and we'll
Thank you.
definitely do it. Uh, Thank you, sir, for the wonderful experience. I loved it, and it was wonderful working with you all. Because what I dreamt a few years back to do something like this, it's now into reality. That is what I can say in one word.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Thank
you,
you so much,
thank you,
sir.
thank you very much, sir.
Thank you so much. It was actually a team effort, and we are very happy that you were not rigid in your decision making. You were very
Uh-huh.
open-ended in terms of our suggestions.
Right,
We
right.
had very, very healthy discussions, and eventually we together arrived to something which is very unique for the city. And I think you have received the same as a feedback of the customers in the last 2 3 days of operations.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
uh, would you quickly run through us the outlet, like a small video?
Sure, sure,
Would you
sure,
like
sure.
to?
I would be very much happy to do that. So since last uh, 2 days, I was looking. Everyone was asking for that. This is the pastries. This is the snacks, which I was telling the cutest product our and the logo here, which come up so well. This is the what do you call the landmark,
It's the new landmark of Barampur.
new landmark of Parampur, exactly. And the signage part is there. I will send you the picture.
Great, great, amazing. So I hope we could satisfy your expectations. And as you said, this is not the end of the journey. For us, it's a new beginning. We have just completed a project. It is not end of a relationship. It's beginning of a new life. It's beginning of a new relationship, and we have to groom you on a lot of things because coming back from a commercial background, retail is a different ball game altogether. So we'll be guiding you throughout. And as I said, a day before opening, I want the second outlet soon. So I think let's start preparing for the second outlet, although it's just 3 days old. But I think before the next season, we should have one more outlet.
Okay, sir. We'll definitely
Wishing
try for that.
wishing you all the best, and a very happy business.
Thank you, thank you, thank you very much, sir. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.